beautiful people, so today's video is going to give you an answer to one simple question, and that is how you can start wearing colors in your everyday style and do that professionally, understanding what you're doing and why you are doing, depending on your style goals. Hello everybody, my name is Ellena and I'm a professional stylist with experience of more than 12 years, and I'm here to show you how you can easily match and combine colors and do that professionally, so consider subscribing. So the first and the most important tool for all the people out there who are thinking on how to match, how to mix colors, is a color wheel. You can easily Google it, you can easily upload it on your gadget, on your smartphone, whatever. But if you have this little thing in your pocket, believe me, your colorful life will be much easier. So this is how it looks, and you will see it very often on my channel. Maybe you might know that there are 4 major color schemes, depending on how you combine colors when you look at your color wheel. And in this video, we're going to talk about complementary color scheme. I know this is one of the most challenging, because working with my clients, what I understood is that this complementary color scheme is the most powerful, the most energetic, and the most challenging for many people out there. So I will teach you how to use a complementary color scheme and understand what you are doing and use it on your advantage. So what are complementary colors? Very easy. Those are 2 opposite to each other colors on the color wheel. So those are orange and blue, purple and yellow, green and red.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in.
And by the way, be careful, those are not complementary colors because they may complement each other. Those are complementary, so those are complete each other. But as for me, I would better say that they cancel each other, because when you put, for example, we pour red and green color into one bar, and you will end up with having something grayish, brownish. So those colors are canceling each other. But consider this pair as opposites attract, something like that. Because of the high contrast, those 2 colors combining in one outfit may produce this super high, crazy vibrancy, so you have to be careful. This complementary color combination is always so bold and energetical. It's often used in sports brands design because they produce this dynamic energy. So what I want you to do, come closer to your closet, pick out one piece, just look at its color, and then look at the color wheel and find the opposite color, and then we will create something beautiful. So here is my outfit number 1. I'm showing you as an example of mistakes you might have, but no, I'm not calling it a mistake. I'm just showing you what you have to avoid if you want to, and then goes blah, 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 some of the style goals. So outfit formula number 1. I'm taking purple blouse and yellow pants. Yes, I know, you might think that this is not purple blouse, but believe me, this is a purple. I know it's sometimes it may look like it's bluish purple, but it is purple. So anyway, remember, complementary colors are the most contrasting colors. That's why they create a very sharp and harsh line when they see each other. So that's the zone we have to look at and be very careful. So I'm combining 2 complementary colors in one outfit, and I create a harsh horizontal line. What is wrong about horizontal lines, especially if we're talking about low-rise pants or something like that? They divide, they just cut our silhouette, cut our body in 2 pieces, and that is not flattering at all, because especially if you are thinking of looking taller and slimmer, this is not something we want to create in our styling. So the easiest way to solve this situation is just to make a half tuck. Is that this is when we take a half of our short and tuck into our pants. So we create this asymmetrical line, which is not horizontal line at all. And this is something that will help us out in this situation. Very easy trick. I'm showing you the whole outfit. So what I'm showing you, illustrating here, is that think about proportions. Different proportions of different colors. So complementary colors are two colors. So what I want you to do is to take the color which is flattering to your color type and put it somewhere closer to your portrait zone and make it like bigger amount, let's call it that way. So the volume of this color is prevailing, this color is dominating in the outfit. And what I want you to do is take the other complementary color and make it small, something like small accents, for example, a handbag or accessories or a shoe wear, something like that, further from your face, from your portrait zone, and in a smaller amount. That will create a proportional, harmonious formula because we have a balance of two colors where one color is prevailing and another is just a few drops of color. What I love about this outfit is that we have basic black underlayer, let's call it that way, tank top and pants, and this is something for those people out there who love black color or white or whatever and who are afraid to start wearing colors. This is a beautiful formula to start with. So you take a neutral underlayer of your favorite black and white or beige, whatever, and then you just create a few drops, a bigger drop of one complementary color and a smaller drop of another color. By the way, I forgot to tell you that I will link all the fashion pieces that I'm using here in this video. I will link them down in the description below, so make sure you open the description box and see all the links I have prepared for you. So formula number 3 is called vertical lines. So remember I told you that two complementary colors create a very harsh line. And if you want to look taller, if you want to look slimmer, just flip those lines and make them look vertically. Very easy. This is how visual illusions work. Use vertical lines on your advantage. So here I'm showing you the outfit, total lilac, let's call it lilac, because it's purple, light version of purple. Totally lilac outfit, and then I used a simple scarf to create two vertical lines. Okay, maybe that will be much better if I had like brighter color of yellow or, for example, darker shade of purple. That will be better because the contrast will be like more visual, more active. But this is just a simple example, illustration for you to show you how it works. So what do you want to do? You just want to take one outfit, one piece that can be a dress, a jumpsuit, whatever, and you create two vertical lines. It might be, for example, a waistcoat or unbuttoned short, I don't know, whatever, but here I'm showing you a scarf creating these two beautiful vertical lines. I know for me, for example, this outfit is like too colorful, too much going on there because too many colors, but still I wanted to create an outfit to show you the maximum, to show you like the whole capability of using colors out there. Formula number 4 and my style hack: play with tones. If you think that, okay, complementary colors, color combination is too boring for me or too bold for me or too, I don't know, too simple for me, consider playing with tones. Tones is just when you take one color and create and make lighter version of it and darker version of it. So here I'm showing you an outfit when we have a darker blouse, purple blouse, and a lighter yellow scarf. And then we have white pants just to balance out the outfit, because I don't like when there are too many colors, as I told you, too many colors out there. So here, again, you can see vertical lines thanks to my scarf, which is, by the way, not expensive scarf by Mango. So what I'm telling you, don't be afraid to play with tones. Take one complementary color in a darker shade and then take another complementary color in a lighter shade, and that will create a beautiful, really harmonious color pair. And here is my outfit number 5. I just wanted to show you how beautiful dark blue, which is something that we call navy blue, is combining with orange, because this is a simple complementary color scheme. We're using only 2 colors here, dark blue, which is a navy blue, and then we had a few drops of orange, which is a complementary color to blue. But we're playing with the shades here, because we have a darker shade of blue and just pure orange. But why am I showing you this outfit formula number 5? Just because I know that a lot of you have denim out there in your wardrobe, so grab your denim out, wear it and pair it with orange. Just a few drops of orange. It might be not expensive sunglasses with orange lenses, or just a few accessories in orange color, because denim is, yes, it's blue. Actually, it's blue, and that's why it's beautifully combining with orange. And by the way, this is a color scheme that I am calling not a simple complementary scheme, but complementary scheme with a step, with a shift. Do you know why? Because we have one blue color, but in 2 tones, in 2 shades. We have a darker blue color, and then we have a lighter blue color, which is a denim. This is just one color family, but 2 shades of blue. And then we have a pure orange on the other side. So this is what I call a complementary color scheme with a shift, with one step. I will link all the fashion pieces I'm using here in this video. I will link all of them down in the description box, and I'm here to say thank you for watching this video. I do really hope that I showed you that playing with colors is a very, very easy game. You just have to understand what you are doing, and I do really hope that I answered that question today. Consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye!